We will learn and practice on 1, on 2, slow and fast. The move on 1 and on 2 is the same. Be sure to practice both. Let's learn jump 1. We'll start basic on 1, slow. We'll practice jump 1 together with cross 1. Are you ready? Let's go. Tap with the left, jump and land. And cross 1 with the left. Now with the right. Tap with the right, jump and land. And cross 1 with the right. Basic. And make sure to go over cross 1 in the link below. Let's go again. Jump 1 with the left. 1, 2, 3 and cross 1 with the left. Now with the right. Jump 1. 1, 2, 3 and cross 1. 5, 6, 7. Basic. Notice that we don't use the 4 and 8. Yeah, let's go. One more time slow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 with the right. 1, 2, 3 and get ready for full speed. Basic, go. 1. Let's go. Jump 1 and cross 1. Now with the right. Jump 1 and cross 1. Basic. Let's go again. With the left. Jump 1 and cross 1. With the right. Doing great. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. Yeah. Let's do it again. Slow. Basic. The more you practice, the better you get. So make sure to go through all practice. Let's go again with the left. Tap, jump and land and cross 1 with the left. Now with the right. Tap, jump and land and cross 1 with the left. Basic. And make sure not to miss the master tip at the end. Let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And you know what? Let's call jump 1 and cross 1 jump 1 extended. Let's go. Jump 1 with the left and cross 1, which is jump 1 extended. Now with the right. Jump 1. Yeah, and cross 1. Full speed. Basic. Go. And let's do jump 1 extended. Go. Jump 1 and cross 1 with the right. Jump 1 and cross 1. Basic. Yeah, let's go again. Jump 1 extended. Yes, doing great. Basic. And give me one more. Let's go. Now let's do it on 2. Basic is different, but the move is exactly the same. Jump 1 and cross 1. Just start with your right. Basic on 2 slow. And let's start with the right. First jump 1. Let's go. Tap, jump and land and cross 1 with the right. Now with the left. Tap, jump and land and cross 1 with the left. Basic. You see, it is exactly the same on 1 and on 2. Just start with the right. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 with the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And notice again that we don't use the 4 and 8. Yeah, one more time. Go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now with the left. 1, 5. Get ready. Full speed. Basic. Go. Let's go. Jump 1 and cross 1. Jump 1 and cross 1. Basic. Yeah, this is jump 1 extended. Let's go again. 1, 5. 1, 5. Basic. Give me one more. Let's go. 1. 1. Yeah. Yeah, doing great. Let's do it again. Slow, basic. Yeah, practice makes progress. And if you do it enough, it makes permanent. So let's go again with the right. Tap, jump and land and cross one. Now with the left. Tap, jump and land and cross one with the left. Basic. And don't miss the master tip at the end. Ready for one more? Let's go with the right. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. And remember, we're practicing jump one and cross one, which is jump one extended. Let's go again. Jump one with the right and cross one. This is jump one extended. Now with the left. Jump one, yeah, and cross one. Let's go, full speed, basic. And let's go, jump one extended, yeah. Basic. Let's go again. Jump one extended. 1, 5, 1, 5. Basic. Looking good. One more time. 1, 5, 1, 5. Now let's practice face to face. I'll flip the screen. Continue basic on 2 slow. Yeah. And let's go for 3 in a row. Starting with the right. Jump one with the right and cross one with the right. Now with the left. Jump one with the left and cross one with the left. No basic, with the right. Jump one and cross one, which is jump one extended. Now with the left. 1, 5. Again with the right. Third time. 5, 6, 7. Now with the left. Get ready for full speed. Basic. Go. And 3 in a row. Let's go with the right. 1, 5. No basic. Let's go second time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the left. And third time. Yeah. Now let's do it all on one. Basic on 1 slow. And let's go for 3 in a row. Starting with the left. Let's go. Jump one with the left. Yeah. And cross one with the left. Now with the right. Jump one. And cross one. No basic. Again with the left. Jump one extended. Yeah. Jump one and cross one. Now with the right. Let's go for the third time. Go. 1, 5. Now with the right. Get ready for, full speed. Basic. Go. And 3 in a row. With the left. Go. 1, 5. With the right. 1. No basic. Second time. And last time. Yeah, well done. And thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, repetition, repetition, repetition is the mother of skill. So keep practicing and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day, make sure to keep a straight posture and body aligned while jumping.